Marx's A Contribution to the Critique of Political Economy, 1859, Unraveling the Foundations of Marxist Economic Thought. Karl Marx's A Contribution to the Critique of Political Economy, published in 1859, serves as a cornerstone of Marxist economic theory. In this comprehensive analysis, we embark on a journey to delve into the intricate web of concepts and insights presented in this seminal work. From Marx's exploration of capitalism's inner workings to his critique of political economy, we aim to uncover the profound implications of his ideas on modern economic thought. Historical materialism. Marx's critique of political economy is rooted in his theory of historical materialism, which posits that the economic base of society shapes its social and political superstructure. By examining the historical development of human societies, Marx identifies distinct modes of production, each characterized by specific relations of production and corresponding social classes. For example, feudalism was marked by a hierarchical system of lords and serfs, while capitalism is defined by the exploitation of wage labor by capital owners. Labor theory of value. Central to Marx's critique is the labor theory of value, which asserts that the value of a commodity is determined by the amount of socially necessary labor time required for its production. Marx argues that under capitalism, workers are alienated from the products of their labor, as their labor power is commodified and sold to capitalists in exchange for a wage. The capitalist extracts surplus value from the labor process, leading to the exploitation of the working class. For example, a worker may produce goods worth $100 in a day, but only receive a wage of $50, with the remaining $50 representing surplus value appropriated by the capitalist. Commodity fetishism. Marx introduces the concept of commodity fetishism to elucidate the mystifying nature of capitalist social relations. In a capitalist society, commodities appear to possess inherent value independent of the labor that produces them. This fetishization of commodities obscures the exploitative nature of capitalist production relations and masks the social relations of domination and subordination. For example, the price of a luxury handbag may be inflated due to branding and advertising, rather than reflecting the actual labor embodied in its production. Capitalist accumulation and crisis. Marx analyzes the process of capitalist accumulation, whereby capitalists reinvest surplus value into the means of production to expand their capital. However, this relentless drive for profit accumulation leads to inherent contradictions within the capitalist system. Marx identifies tendencies toward overproduction, underconsumption, and economic crises as inevitable outcomes of capitalist accumulation. For example, during periods of economic downturn, capitalists may lay off workers and reduce production, leading to unemployment and social unrest. Revolutionary potential. Despite the contradictions and crises inherent in capitalism, Marx sees the potential for revolutionary change. By exposing the exploitative nature of capitalism and revealing the contradictions inherent in its mode of production, Marx seeks to mobilize the working class to overthrow capitalist social relations. Marx envisages the establishment of a socialist society based on collective ownership of the means of production, where production is organized to meet the needs of all members of society rather than serving the interests of a privileged few. Conclusion. In conclusion, Karl Marx's A Contribution to the Critique of Political Economy offers a profound analysis of capitalism and its inherent contradictions. From his critique of commodity fetishism to his exploration of capitalist accumulation and crisis, Marx's work continues to resonate in contemporary economic thought. By uncovering the underlying mechanisms of exploitation and alienation, Marx's ideas provide valuable insights into the dynamics of capitalist society and inspire critical reflection on the possibilities for social transformation and emancipation from capitalist exploitation.